do a good landing. This video is sponsored by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform to build your own website and run your business. No, that turned out to be the right one. Felix this time is with us. It's always good to have him here. Yeah, bro. Oh, I never had you on a maiden flight. Yes. Exciting day. Yeah. All right. So, hey everyone. No, do it again. Hey everyone. So, it's the maiden flight of the Citation M2. We have the best weather possible today. It's so amazing. Sun and no wind at all. And yeah, so everything is assembled. I will put the batteries, do some taxi testing as the usual, drive it fast and this stuff, and then go full power and take off. So let's do it. I have this switch now.
Signal 100%.
And this will repeat every 15 seconds how many milliamps I used.
Capacity 1 milliamp per hour.
Just it's still 100%.
Okay.
So I can keep hearing it, you know.
Flaps 15.
So we go to the runway, do a fast run, nose up a bit, but it's ready in case it took off, I'll go for it.
But you have to decide if or if not.
Yeah, if it took off, I'm in the air, so go.
You can't go back.
No, I cannot go back, but it's ready. Everything is connected, perfect. Battery is good, I'm full. In case,
Perfect, yeah.
I'll go for it. We're good, we're so good. Look. Oh wow.
We'll take off.
Wow, yes. You see, I keep the nose get up with my elevator. Oh, no. That's perfect. Okay. So, in this case, I still have how much I used?
Signal 100%.
No, 9.
Capacity 270.
I used 270.
Nothing.
Yeah, that's nothing from 6,200.
You can fly.
Then I go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, before we continue with the main flight, I'd like to talk about Squarespace. As like maybe many of you, I am planning to make my own website, maybe even an online shop in the near future. Let's be honest, a big part of our lives takes place online. And having your own website helps you to present yourself, your ideas or projects to the world. At the end of the day, a website is an investment which can be pretty costly and time consuming to set up. But Squarespace makes it super simple. They have the best designs and features in the market with great looking templates to make your website look professional. You don't even have to start from scratch thanks to their built-in templates, and you don't need any third-party plugins. You can sell unlimited products and your website will work and look great on any device. You also don't have to worry about the domain, because buying a domain from Squarespace is simple. There are no hidden fees or price hikes. You can get a free trial, and when you are ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/RamyRC to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. So huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the airfield and fly the Citation. Alright, I am at half flaps, start.
Wind is perfect.
Yes, wind is perfect. Alright, let's go. Okay. Flaps up. So cool. Okay, now gear up. Going up. I just did like 3 clicks left trim, ailerons. Perfect, yes. I need some down trim, I guess.
It seems like a big rider.
Yes. No, I don't need trim at all. I'm at 40% throttle. Let's bring it close. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm half throttle and it's so fast. She's so fast. She is so fast. Okay, I'll try flaps now, see.
Flaps 15. Flaps 30.
Okay.
Capacity 1,340 milliamp
Nothing.
hours.
Yeah, I'm just 30-40% throttle.
Crazy.
She's so fast. She's so fast. My God. She's so fast.
358 milliamp.
Nice. She sounds so good and super stable. Gyros at full gain. Okay. I did not use any. I can fly up to 10 minutes with this thing. Let's try low bars.
Yeah.
With flaps now.
Capacity 1,767 milliamp hours. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Beautiful. I will bring it for landing.
Flaps 30.
All right, now
Gear down.
gear down. Let's do a bit approach, hopefully.
45%. 45%.
Oh, flaps full already.
Flaps 30.
Oh my God, it struggled with the brakes. That's it. Wow, that flies so amazing. It's so amazing, guys. Seriously, so amazing. So good. It's so good. Wow. So cool. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. So nice. Yeah, yes, exactly.
You don't feel the weight at all, yeah?
No. 17 kilos is like nothing. It's like nothing. Success. Alright, so let's go for the second flight. I did add less expo now from the ailerons, so I have more movement. And yeah, now we have a camera on the tail. I should not forget to turn it on.
0%.
Janis,
0%.
lenkbares Vorderrad. Was? Investierst noch in ein lenkbares Vorderrad. Ja,
So shiny. So shiny. Let's go. gyro is too much. Okay. So fast. So fast. Gyro is shaking. Let's keep it at half. Again. I think it's better. Because of the camera, just like a big couple of grams on the tail, it makes a difference.
And it affects the way the elevator works there. So also.
I was on the outside the runway. Yes. I just destroyed the brakes. Full brakes even before touchdown. Oh my god.
50%.
Yes, I understand.
26.
Oh, okay, so we have to go grab it.
20%.
The brakes. The brakes. Yes, the wheels are twisted. Are twisted.
600.
Okay, now it was.
Battery 50%.
I get it.
650. 40
sure?
milliamp hours.
Okay, it's off now. The thing is, it's still heavy now.
Yeah, I
It's
mean,
still heavy. It's always climbing, always doing this. And I had to push down, and it's so hard when you land and you want to do a perfect flare,
yeah,
and when you are trying to push it down instead of up, you know,
it feels wrong. Yeah.
it feels wrong.
Yeah.
And so I just had to cut throttle and put it easy there, and went immediately full brakes, which is not a good thing. That's why now the wheels are fully twisted in.
Yeah, but fine.
Yeah, there are just adjustments that can be done easily. Yeah. Yes.
But it was a successful flight. Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's so good. Yeah, look at the wheels. Holy crap! I had to take this stainless steel pin, cut something in it, so the screw will force it to stay in place. Yeah, you see? I went full brakes before I even touched down.
But it's not bent, right?
Look at that.
No, it's just this. Oh, that's in a perfect condition. Almost. Oy.